These fruits to objects transformation videos are going viral on social media right now. The crazy part? It takes less than 30 seconds to make. You can make this using just free AI tools. Here's how to do it. First, copy this prompt. Now paste it into ChatGPT. It will generate 20 fruits and 20 objects to choose from. I will choose watermelon and Audi R8. Now copy the master prompt. Go to Google Flow AI. Paste your prompt here. Head back to ChatGPT and copy the fruit name and paste here. And now copy the object name and paste in the object section. Make sure you have selected these settings for video generation. Once everything is okay, select Generate. And just like that, fruits to objects transformation video is ready. Check this out. The prompt is in the description. Try this before everyone starts doing it. See you in the next one. Subscribe.